Another day, another dollar. We shorted another meme coin in the market. As we see over here, we shorted it all the way today. You can come and join my Telegram group where I do all the calls. But now we have a small position. I believe it is an $8 position on a 20x short, just to keep it riding, let it go. As we see here, we are already at 60-70% profit. So if you want to come and trade with me, I will leave the link down below. Of course, what the trades that I do is no financial advisor. I just share it with you. But you also get, if you want to sign up now, you also get a certified win that can go from $10, 2000 XRP, 3000 WXT token, 0.01 Bitcoin. So there is a nice giveaway for you also. Come sign up, come and trade with me, join my Telegram, link in the description, free to go and join. But once again, we are eating. Just for your information, because of these $8, which if they lose, okay, I did put a close profit at 8 cents. Simply, it's gotta go down another 20 cents. We've seen how bad it does. But we've seen also with yesterday. Why did I put 8 cents? Because we've seen it with yesterday. We had, for example, the BMT token. This one went all the way from 32 cents to 7 cents. So I recognize the OIK token could potentially be doing the same from 20 cents all the way to 8 cents. It's something nice. Or I could simply close now with a 100% profit. Let me know your down below, but we are at a 100% profit. So for $8, I will keep it riding, I will keep it going, and I will see where it actually goes from here. For this video, I have also partnered with Prodigy.fi to give you a 100 BERA token, which is approximately $600 in terms of a giveaway. So what is Prodigy.fi, which then you can use this money? Well, as you see here is a beautiful high yield APY, which works a little bit different from the other in a duration time. And I will go and insert myself and showcase you how it is. So it works with the BERA as gas fees, as it is on the Berachain L2. And once again, I think BERA is one of the best L2 in the market in terms of price action with this incredible downside that we are as of right now. It's really performing well. So for the future, got high hopes for it. And here we got this liquidity on the vault. So how do you participate in this and how do you interact with this? Well, the link will be down below to get started. And as you see here, I got 10 USDC to go and show you. So all you gotta do is click on subscribe. You have a 955% APY or 800 or 400, depending on which one you want. You got available quantity, etc. So to give you, you can buy low and sell high. These are the two options. So here we got the available quantity on Ethereum. If you got stable coins, which at this time of the year in the trading phase and the market's a bit more complicated and it's better to have it, we go and put 10 USDC. So here we have the availability for a subscribed amount of 10, which is what we do. And we will receive 10 plus 17 cents if the price of Ethereum is above the link price of expiration. Or I will receive wrapped Ethereum if the price is at or below the linked price at expiration. So all you gotta do is simply to go and subscribe. I acknowledge and I understand the terms and condition. I click on confirm, and here we go. We are going to utilize $10. You can utilize $5. You can utilize 10, 20, 100. It is completely up to you. Of course, there is the risk of losing involved as well if the price action goes opposite, but this is something that I really like. I like the high APY. I also like the possibility, mostly the possibility that you are able, as we see here, super low in fees with the Berachain L2, which is really nice to see. The condition with this is that there is no amount, like when you see some of these other protocols, there is the amount of like minimum 100, minimum 200, because the nice APY, all the things that they got going. Here, Prodigy.fi actually does a real good job in my opinion. So this is it. This is as simple as it gets, and it is kind of like a nice momentum to go and earn passive income in a market which is unstable as of right now in terms of USDC. Once you go and subscribe, you can also create your own vault, completely up to you. And then you can go and check your portfolio, which is the vault subscribed, this one. And the vault created is 0 because I don't have it. And here is the expiration date, which is when in 15 hours, I will receive my funds. So in the buy low area, as we see here, the direction that I choose, which is the one right here, buy low or sell high, depending on which one you want. Looking at the market, I went for a buy low. If you want to go for a sell high, it is simply like this. So you will receive X amount plus the APY for your kind of like prediction. But I stick with the buy low. Of course, you gotta do your own due diligence. Don't copy me if I do low or high, make sure that you understand. If you want to know more about it, here, for example, we go, what is the dual investment, which is what we're having right here, which is the Prodigy Fi dual investment product, offers you the opportunity to leverage your view on the market to buy or sell cryptocurrency, such as wrapped Ethereum, while earning rewards in the process. Dual investment is a non-principal guarantee, high yield structure, etc. How do I product the dual investment? You have what is a sell high? You sell your wrapped Ethereum for USDC at a preferred price level that is higher than the current market price. And the buy low is buy wrapped Ethereum with USDC, which is what we did. We had $10. We went and buy wrapped Ethereum at a preferred price level that is lower than the current market price in the near future, plus earn rewards on your deposit. And this is how it works. So super easy to go and operate, kind of like an easy way to make easy APY money, which I do really like it. And we will come back in a couple of days, 15 hours from now, and see how this went as well, if you want to have an update. But the link will be down below. Come and join me. As I said, for everybody that joins this, there will be a 100 BERA token, giveaway, which it is $590.90 at explicitly current time right now. Next up, we actually have the claiming of an airdrop, and this is the Nilion airdrop. Once the TG goes live and the trading goes live, once again, being a, in my opinion, useless token, I will go and short it just like we did over here, which by the way, now it's pumping in, which is, we're losing the profit. Could we get liquidated? We'll keep you updated by the end of the video. But Nilion, I will be doing the short as well over for this one. But you can go and check your allocation right now. I got 0 allocation for this one. So if you're not eligible for an airdrop, make sure to short the airdrop, because that's the way to go and to make money, as we are seeing over here, which is nice to go and do. So let me know. Link will be down below for your allocation. This connects to your Kepler wallet or whichever Kepler alternative wallet you actually have. Next up, an interesting update. And there's not many updates today because it is kind of like, you've seen the market condition, atrocious. It is what it is. But we do have over here on the Chainbase network, the testnet explorer is now live. We do remember Chainbase, as we see here, connect your wallet and start doing a few transactions. All you gotta do, it is very, very simple. You simply gotta go and bridge in and out some Sefolia Ethereum test tokens, and that is it. So with Chainbase, it works like this: connect your wallet, and then you're good to go. Give it a little bit of time. It is still on a testnet, and a lot of people are trying to join it. So it is still a little bit lagging away, but make sure to go to this Sefolia, the Chainbase network testnet, or the Sefolia testnet. Click whichever one you want in your wallet, and you will be good to go. As we said, there's not many updates today, but once again, I want to prove to you that this technique works. The shorting of the airdrop looks like the new meta, and I am sticking to it. So again, profit, come and trade with me. Link down below. Join now, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Very short video, but definitely worth it in my opinion, to let you know and to make you understand what is happening in the market. And of course, if you can, go and claim the airdrop. Let me know, by the way, your allocation down below. Don't know whether or not you are eligible for it or not, but if you are, let me know in the comments below. Ciao guys.